Welcome to Oven Cake and Cookies. Today we are making cabbage manchurian, crispy cabbage balls tossed in a spicy tangy sauce, a perfect homemade Indo-Chinese favorite. Let's start the recipe. Take 350 g of cabbage. Grate the cabbage and put it in a bowl. Add half teaspoon salt, mix well. And squeeze out all the excess water. Always squeeze cabbage well to avoid soggy balls. Transfer the cabbage to a clean bowl. And 1 teaspoon ginger, 2 green chilies, 1 tablespoon coriander leaves, half teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon red chili sauce, 1 tablespoon corn flour, 1 tablespoon flour. Mix well and shape into small ball. Fry the cabbage balls in medium heated oil until golden brown and crispy. Fry on medium heat for even crispiness. Remove and keep aside. In a pan, heat 2 tablespoon oil. Add 1 tablespoon garlic, 1 inch ginger, 2 green chilies, three tablespoon onion. Cook for 1 minute. Add 2 tablespoons each yellow, green and red capsicum. Pour 1/4 cup water. Add 1 teaspoon dark soy sauce, 1 tablespoon tomato sauce, 1 teaspoon vinegar, and 1 tablespoon red chili sauce. Mix well. In a bowl, mix 1/4 cup water with 1 teaspoon corn flour. And add it to the pan. Stir until the sauce thickens. Add the fried cabbage balls and toss well. Finish with spring onion and cook for 1 minute. Prepare the sauce before frying for quick tossing. Toss cabbage balls gently to keep them intact. Cabbage is rich in fiber and antioxidants. Homemade manchurians uses less oil than street food. Ginger and garlic help digestion. Adding vegetable boosts nutrition and flavor. Your cabbage manchurian is ready to serve. Manchurian is one of the most popular Indo-Chinese dishes in South Asia. Cabbage is often used as a budget-friendly alternative to cauliflower. Corn flour gives Manchurian its signature crispy texture. The balance of soy sauce, vinegar, and chili creates the classic Manchurian flavor. Your cabbage Manchurian is crispy, saucy, and full of flavor. Serve it hot as a starter or side dish. Try this recipe at home and share your feedback. Follow Enoven Cake and Cookies for more tasty Indo-Chinese recipes.